In this video tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating a class using an existing school roster. Teachers have the option to create classes, which are groups of student user accounts. Grouping your student users into classes makes it easy for you to assign quizzes, writing prompts, and other assignments. In many cases, student user accounts have already been created by your school or district's Discovery Education Administrator, or by other teachers in your school. With that step out of the way, it makes it even easier for you to create a class. Once you have logged in at discoveryeducation.com, click on the Classroom Manager button near the top right corner of the page. On the Classroom Manager Overview page, under Manage Classes, click on Create a Class from School Roster. Now you are on the Create New Class page. Start with Step 1 and enter the class information. A class name is required, and a class description is optional. Once you have named your class, you can add students to it. Under Step 2, you will find a roster on the left side of the page. The Add from School Roster tab is already selected. To add a student from the school roster to your class, simply click on the box to the left of their name, under the All column. They will then appear on your class roster on the right side of the screen. If you added a student by accident, click on the box again to remove them from your class. Your school roster may be long and difficult to navigate, depending on the number of students at your school. To browse through the school roster, you can use the Next, Last, Previous, and Page Number buttons. You can also sort through the school roster alphabetically or numerically by clicking on the student name, grade, username, or student ID column headers. Additionally, you have the option to search for students on the roster by their last name, first name, username, and student ID at each grade level. Once you have added all the students to your class roster, click on Save beneath your class roster and your class is created.